to work with this one so that your friends can watch this video later. So here. So I'd like to welcome everybody. Okay, if you have any question, just ask me. You just ask me later on, or you can actually raise your hand there and I will recognize you. Okay. Okay, what are the main parts of a plant? So plants actually has main parts. So for you to know, the plants can be seen everywhere, and plants has different functions also. Here's the virtual classroom rules. Number one here, listen carefully to me. You have to listen carefully. The second one here, you have to raise your hand if you want to talk. Raise your hand if you want to talk. Number three, turn off your microphone right after you speak. If you speak, then right after you speak, you have to turn off your microphone. All right, so that's the rules that you are going to put in your mind. So watch this video for you to learn something about the parts of the plant.
Our topic for today is parts of a plant.
Now today, let's continue. We have here according here, plants are made up of different parts. Okay, remember, plants are actually made up of different parts. So we have the flower, the fruit, the leaf, the stem, and the root. So next, so who can answer number one? What is number one? Raise your hand, please. All right, notebook. What is number one? Yes. Notebook. Click yes there. Yes, notebook. What is number one? What is the answer of number one?
Flower.
Flower. Let's see if your answer is correct. Yes, flower is correct. F-L-O-W-E-R. Yes, oh, very good. Next, number two. Yes, Natakon. Like that. Raise your hand in there. What is fruit? Let's see if your answer is correct. Yes, your answer is correct. The answer is F-R-U-I-T. And your answer is correct. Okay, just raise your hand in the reaction button so that I can recognize you. Next, number three, we have Chatrapat. Yes, Chatrapat. What is your answer?
Leaf.
What?
Leaf.
Leaf?
Yes.
Let's see if your answer is correct. Yes. Can you spell it? Again, please.
อีกรอบหนึ่งครับ
Again, please.
L-E-A-F.
Leaf.
Leaf. Leaf.
Very good. Great job. Great job. What is your nickname?
Dew.
Dew.
Yes.
Hi, Dew.
Chiều.
You have a graduation hat. You have a graduation hat here. So number 4, just raise your hand in the reaction button so that I can recognize you. Oh, sorry. What is number 4? Right. Click the reaction button and click raise your hand like that. Okay. There is one who asked you. Garza, you guys have to be like that. All right. So who wants to answer? Click the button there so that I can recognize you. All right. What is number 3? I mean number 4. No one? Who wants to answer? Who wants to answer? All right. Notebook again. Yes, notebook. Yes, notebook, please.
The stem.
The stem? Let's
Yes.
see if your answer is correct. Yeah, your answer is correct. Great job. Next, last but not the least, we have here Austin. Yes, we have here Austin. Austin, who is Austin? Yes, you, girl. Are you a girl or a boy? Girl, right? Yes. Click yes there. Click something there. I can't hear you. You. Yes.
Roof.
Root. Let's see if your answer is correct. Yes, your answer is correct. Great job. Great job. You're laughing at me. All right. So those are the parts of the plants. These are the plants, parts of the plants that you have to remember. Looking at me. Fun guy. Okay. Plants have roots. What else? A stem and leaves. So you already know that one because I told you a while ago. Many plants have flowers and fruits too, of course, but not all plants have this one. Only few. Another thing, look at the roots. See, the roots are crawling. See, that's the roots. Okay, it's a circle there. The roots of the plant hold the plant in the soil. Okay, the one that anchor the plants in the soil is the root. Are the roots. The one who anchor on the soil are the roots. They also take water for the plants. Take or get or absorb. They also absorb water from the soil for the plant. Okay, remember that one, the roots, that's the main function. And also, I will edit this one because this one is around the plant. All right, the function of also this one, the plant has like this. Where are you going? All right, so the plant has hair-like roots, this one, that help the plants to absorb water and nutrients. So that's the main function that the plants has, root hair. This one, hair, right? We have a hair like this one. So watch this video.
Absorption of water by plants.
Yeah.
The root is the organ of a plant that typically lies below the surface of the soil. The roots do not possess nodes, leaves, and buds, but is branched extensively. The roots are well suited both morphologically and anatomically to absorb water and minerals from the soil.
All right, so this one, as you can see the arrow and also the name or each name we have here, the main root, we have the bigger one here, or shall we say that this is the main, yeah. So it's big because it's the main. And then we have here the secondary roots, which is the lateral roots or lateral roots. And we have the root hairs, which is the tertiary. So we will be talking about the tertiary, which are the root hairs that help the plants to get water and absorb nutrients and minerals from the soil. So that's the function of the roots. Now let's proceed to stem. The stem is what? The stem, it really helps the plants to stand upright. The plants stood upright because of the presence of, because of the stem, I mean. See, the stem is very important, and always remember, without the stem, the plant cannot stand upright. Upright, up, then right, okay? Upright, the stem. Remember that one, okay? As you can see here, it also carries water from the roots to the other parts of the plants. So this is also another function of the stem. Not only holding the plant to stand upright, but the stem also helps the plants to carry water and nutrients from the roots to give or distributed to the other parts of the plants. So that is the function of, or so say those are the functions of what? The stems. So you can see the minerals here from the roots and proceed to the stems, and the stems will carry that one going up to the other parts of the plants. Another way here, we have branches. The branches may grow from the main stem of a plant. Of course, they hold the leaves out so that they receive sunlight. What do you mean by sunlight? Sunlight in Thai, I think it's sawang. I think sawang. Yeah, sawang is bright, no? I don't know what is sunlight. I don't know what is sunlight in Thai, but I know that you know. Okay, the leaves will get sunlight from the sun. Watch this video, but the function of the stem.
Roots, as you learned, absorb water and minerals from the soil. How does the water and minerals absorbed by the roots reach the rest of the plant body? Yes, through the stem. The stem conducts. Roots, as you learned, absorb water.
All right, so thank you for watching this video. And this one is very interesting facts when it comes to the functions of the stems. The stems can what? Not only holding the trees or holding the plants to stand upright, but also carries water and minerals going to the other parts of the plants. So we have the leaves, almost done. We have the leaves here. The leaves make food for the plants. So the one that make food for the plants are leaves. Remember this one. Leaves are the one who is responsible for making food. Example of leaves, we have papaya, water lily leaf, frangipani leaf, hibiscus leaf, and so on. Most leaves are green and have a big flat surfaces. So as you can see, these help the plants to better receive sunlight. So what's the reason? The leaves are what? Big, usually big and flat, because it helps them to absorb or to receive better sunlight. So another here, sunlight is important for the leaves to make food. Okay, the plants can make food because of the sunlight. So you can see food is carried from the leaves to a different parts of the plant by the stem. That's what I have told you a while ago. The stem is the one that carry the plants to the other parts of the plant, right? So this video, I think this video is very knowledgeable when it comes to how the plants make its food. Watch this one.
Preparation of food in leaves. In this module, you will learn about the process of preparation of food in the leaves of plants.
No.
Ingredients. In the same way, leaves that are the food factory or the kitchen of a plant need different ingredients for making its food. These ingredients include water from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air, and sunlight.
The plants can make its own food. In what part of the leaf? What part of the plants? In their leaves. In their leaves. Plants can make food in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. So those are the things that plants needed in order for them to make food. So flowers. We have here flowers help the plant make young or can plant reproduce another new baby plants. So that's a flower. There are different sizes, shapes, and colors of a flowers. They are usually the most attractive part of a plant. So for example of flowers, we have water lily flower, Ratchaphruek flower, Frangipani flower, Heliconia flower, orchid flower, and hibiscus flower. So those are the different parts of the flowers. So we don't have time, so we will continue next